Look at our avocado tree, guys. There's no more avocados. Oh, look at my girls. We're gonna go for a walk. Uh-oh, you okay? What happened? You want Daddy to kiss your hand? Okay, get your shoes on. We're gonna walk. Put on your shoes the other way. Oh, baby. Okay. Okay. This way. There, put this one there. Okay. Okay. Look at those cute shoes. You got it? Oh, something there? Okay. Let's see. Okay. 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 We're ready to walk. You okay? Look at my girls. Oh! Backpacks. Look at Fifi. Let's go. Daddy's walking with you. Oh my goodness. We're gonna walk. Daddy's gonna take a video of you. You want mommy to carry you? Or you want daddy to carry you?
Daddy.
Okay.
I want to sit beside you.
Where? Where is this?
Mommy's with us.
Meow.
See the cat?
Meow. How's it like? Meow.
Mm-hmm. Hey, play. We are at the clubhouse. We live right behind the clubhouse.
I have a jar.
Look at Pippa's outfit. She's got a cinnamon roll shirt
Daddy.
and her backpack. I got those backpacks when I went to Malaysia. Look at that. Look at Fifi.
I'm going to draw.
You gonna draw? Let's see what. Go ahead. Take your toys out. What are you gonna do? Do some drawings? Do you have your sketchbook too? Did you bring your sketchbook, Fifi? Where are you going? Uh-oh. Look at this girl. Oh, you playing with your toys? So she brought all her toys there. What you gonna do? What's that? That looks cool. It's like a little notepad. You can write your notes. Oh, well, there was paper in there. I don't know what happened to it. See, you guys.
This is the white spelling of lollipop.
What are you trying to do?
This is the white.
Okay, you have to put 2 L's, and there's not an E there. It's supposed to be L-O-L-L-I-P-O-P. You got the P, you got the last part right. You just gotta, yeah, and then you have to take the E out and make that a I. Oh, look at, you got a flower, huh, Fifi? Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
Say hello to your cousins. There you go, cinnamon roll lollipop. Let's show you. Want me to show them that pencil case? Wow. I like the front of your little notepad. Cool. You like flowers? Maybe you give it to mommy. Okay, here, mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Katanghali na sa amin, wala na.
Saan mo ba?
Wala na, katanghali na. Raymond, best pa muna to.
Ano pa natin nakatira?
Hi, Fifi. What are you drawing?
It's a human.
A human?
Yes.
Okay.
A girl.
Hi, Fifi. Oh, can I see your backpack? Let me see. Turn around. Wow, that's so cute. Oops. Gotta leave. Hey, put on Daddy's head, huh? Done? Let me see. Let's show them.
And this is blueberry octopusini.
Oh. Say it again.
Blueberry octopusini.
Okay. Who are these people?
This one, I don't know their name. I forget their name.
Look at my girls. What you got there, Fifi? Did you draw something there? Give Daddy a high five. I like it. It's hot out here, huh?
Yeah, you go here, Daddy.
Oh my goodness.
Come here, guys. This is a grandma.
You're gonna give us a tour of the clubhouse? I don't know if Daddy can go through there. You gonna go through under there? Oh,
This is the guava tree.
this is the guava tree.
Ay, meron pang dalawa, oh.
Guava?
Yeah. Oh.
Got some guava. That's small though.
Yeah,
I
small.
want a big one.
You can eat it like that though, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna wash it, huh? Is it good?
Oh,
Fifi, where you going? Come here.
let's follow Phoebe.
Guava here. This is right behind our house. Oh, and there's calamansi, right? So you guys look over here. Wait, no, this is guava too?
That's a guava.
Oh, it looked like calamansi.
Oh, ito, malaki, oh. But I don't know if this is...
Fifi, where you guys at?
Look. Para hindi pa. Pwede na to yung isa lang.
Where did you go?
Hide and seek.
You're playing hide and seek?
Yeah,
Let's go back to the clubhouse.
You're the seeker.
Whoa.
You're the seeker. You're the seeker. Daddy, you're the seeker. You count 1 to 10 over here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right in and here I come. Where is Fifi? Oh, there's Fifi. Where's Ate? Careful, Fifi. Oh, I see Ate.
I'm the secret.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, count. Hey! Got me. Oh, mommy's cleaning the clubhouse.
Let's see if
How much you get paid for that?
it's a free service.
Free service, huh?
That's the
Para malinis talaga, pulido yung ano.
All right, let's run, guys.
I was thinking for Daddy.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Fifi.
Bye-bye.
Mainit na, Kuya Nix.
Say hi to mommy. Mommy's gonna drive.
Okay, sit with Daddy daw.
You want to sit in the back with Daddy? Daddy's gonna sit in the back with Ate. We're going to the market right now
Okay, Daddy, carry you.
to buy some sinigang for lunch, right? You like sinigang?
Mama,
You ready?
see what it's about?
Where do you want Daddy to sit?
Here. Here.
Uh-oh.
Here. 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 Here.
I'm so... Daddy's so popular, huh?
Here. Daddy, you stay here. Daddy, stay here.
Torn between two girls here. On our way to the blanket. Hold on.
Maybe you sit in the back. Daddy sit in the back too. Yeah, you and Daddy sit in the back.
Good day for a date. Free every day. Head and shoulders.
Vicks Vapor Drop Sausages. Its mentholated Vicks Vapors help to relieve sweat.
Got it at the honey lechon there. Our sinigang for lunch. Okay. Be ready. Time to go home.